side, and temperatures are not going up. They're headed down this evening. We'll fall through the low 50s. Overnight at some point we hit about 49, then some clouds start to return, and that will cap our temperatures. I would say just cool temperatures here in the short term. If you have Friday evening plans, certainly a jacket. No umbrella needed. We can confirm that with Storm Tracker Radar Network. You can get this on your phone or tablet on WJCL 22 News app. So give that a try and take that with, and you can impress your friends and family this Thanksgiving with your weather knowledge, because hey, weather knowledge may be needed for Thanksgiving. I'll show you why here in just a second. All right, cold front is up to our north. That will come racing our way this weekend. What does that mean for your forecast? I would not completely rule out a spotty sprinkle right along the coast early Saturday. Could be a couple clouds around, but then we'll filter in plenty of sunshine. You want the sunglasses during the afternoon. Saturday, hands down, the pick day of the weekend. Highs top out mid to upper 70s. Here comes the cold front, and right along it there will be some showers. Those will slip through our area early Sunday morning. A lot of people are probably still in bed, won't even notice the rain. It lasts, I would say, 30 minutes tops, and then the rain is out of here. The breezy, cooler weather settles in, and that will hang around for probably a good 36 hours or so, and we'll see highs in the 60s Sunday and then more 60s for Monday. All right, wind gusts along and near that frontal boundary. Winds will start to pick up. These are forecast wind gusts. This is 11 p.m. Saturday. Notice winds around 25 miles per hour. A couple gusts will top 30. You may hear the windows rattle around as that front blows through Saturday night into early Sunday. By Sunday morning, there's that wind shift. It's a northwesterly wind. When you step outside, you'll start to feel that cooler air settle across our area. And your travel forecast for this weekend, mix of sun and clouds. Warm day on Saturday. Have the windows open, get some fresh air in, because on Sunday, breezy conditions, much cooler, a couple showers. That rain chance is mainly about 5 to 8 a.m. All right, here is what I was alluding to with weather knowledge, because we have a pretty complex setup for Thanksgiving. An area of low pressure down in the Gulf of Mexico that starts moving northeast, but Wednesday right now for a lot of the travelers appears to be dry. Thursday at 12 noon, showers near Jacksonville start to spread northeast, and we may have a rainy go of it sometime later Thursday and especially on Friday for anyone headed across our area to get those shopping deals. All right, here's the 7-day forecast now. 78 degrees for tomorrow, 30% chance of showers. That's mainly early on Sunday. And then we go into the big travel week. Dry Wednesday, 70, cooler, and these may be too warm. If it is a steady rain at any point, we'll go 50s for daytime highs. But look at that. Chance of rain develops Thanksgiving and continues into Black Friday. Back to